Hey y'all, so I got a new guest. I got my other child, my oldest.
See how aggressive?
My oldest, Anaya. That's why I don't do hair for a living. I could do it, but I won't because I'll be like this all on your head. Anyway, you see all this hair? We're about to blow dry it. I'm gonna show you how I blow dry it. I'm gonna show you what products I use. I'm gonna show you what technique I use. Nothing crazy, but yeah. First, I'm starting off with a thermal protector from EdenBodyWorks, then a leave-in conditioner from Briogeo. I'm going to put both products in her hair, saturate her hair with both products because we don't want the heat damage and we want to make sure her hair is moisturized as possible. I like to start with a warm setting and I work my way from the bottom of her hair at the ends to the top of her hair, and I alternate from hot setting to a warm setting to a cool setting. Ooh, she got some inches. My sealant of choice is from Jamaica Mango Lime. Woo! Diana Ross in this group. Don't like to do the ponytails too tight because I want to save my child's edges, so I do a loose ponytail and then we play a little bit with the edges and I do a little swoop. I don't use anything harsh on her hair. We use the silk element. It lays down her edges, but it still gives her that wiggle room where it's not drying out her edges. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.